Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Crochet. If you are seeing this tutorial for the first time, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So today I'll be teaching how to make this beautiful motif granny square, and this is everything we'll be needing for this tutorial: a ball of yarn, a pair of scissors, and a crochet hook, 5.0mm hook. So thank you for watching. First, make a knot. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go back to the first chain to form a ring. Put this at the back. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So you have this. Make 11 extra double crochet. So this is 1. So you have 11 extras to complete 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to slip stitch on top here like this. So you chain 3, 2, 3. Make extra 4 puff. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So pull through everything at once like this. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make another 4 puff. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through everything once. Chain 3. Repeat the same thing till you get to the last 2 of 3, 4. Pull through everything at once. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through all at once. Chain 3. So into this last space, put in another puff. 1, 2, 3, 4. So pull through everything at once. Chain 3. Then slip stitch on top of this space here like this. So make a slip stitch into the next. Chain 3 like this. Then make extra 3 double crochet to complete 4. 3, 4. So you have this. Chain 2 and make another 4 double crochet into the same space. So by this, we are already creating our corner like this. Into this space, next space, you're not chaining anything. You're just going to put in 3 half double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Into the next, you're putting 3 half double crochet too. So 1, 2, 3. So into the next, we are putting 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2, put in 4 double crochet. So we've created our first and second corner. 3, 4 like this. So we have our first and second corner. So into every chain space after our corner, we are putting 3 half double crochet, but when we are creating corner, we are putting 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet into the same chain space. So you have 3 half double crochet, Into this next, you are putting in 4 double crochet because we are creating our next corner. 2, 3, 4. So chain 2, put in 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what we are having. So into the next space, you are putting in half double crochet, 3 half double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Next is 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So this is what it's looking like. 3. The next 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So you're just going to slip stitch, and that will be all. So this is what you should be having, because this is what I'm having. So slip stitch, chain 2, cut your yarn, press down, like this, then tie. And cut the remaining excess yarn. So this is what our motif is looking like. Thanks for watching. Bye.